What's up, everybody? Today I wanted to do a vlog to address a little concern I had. I had a realization about a few nights ago regarding my subscribers, and I just realized that a majority, a huge majority of my subscribers subscribe to me because of what I did back then, which was RC drifting, RC crawling, and scale models. So like 124 scale model kits, and I had some action statics, which is the lowrider, car dancers, car hopper, truck dancers, truck bed dancers, and things like that. So I realized that that's a huge chunk of my subscribers, and they're probably wondering what I've been doing. And looking into my channel right now, they see the direction I'm going with, and I don't want them to feel like I've I've abandoned that part of me, because that's a huge part of me, and that's something I love to do. I'm passionate about RCs and scale models. Anything to do with vehicles or cars in general. That's me. So I didn't want them to feel like that. So I just kind of want to address it, and I apologize for not bringing you contents like that anymore. It was back then. It was I took a very long hiatus after things that went through back then, physically, emotionally, financially, things like that. And I still have a lot of my kits from way back when, which was my HPI Racing E10s, my Hot Body Cyclone S, my HPI Sprint, and I have a Sakura. I forgot what model it was, but it's a Sakura chassis that I'll probably just either end up becoming a body comp chassis, or I might sell it. So we'll see. But I still have those kits, and I'm planning on getting the Yokomo YD2S or E for wheel drive drift. In fact, I converted my Sprint 2 drift, which is a 50-50, or all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and that's converted to a real drive. And I have currently on getting the electronics on that one, and so far I just got the gyro for it, I got a ASC for it, and I have a motor for it. Only thing I'm missing now is a lipo battery and the know-hows on rear-wheel drive, and that's something I need to learn, and I'm gonna study it. And yeah, so be on the lookout for that one. I don't know when I'm gonna get it, but I'm gonna get the Yokomo YD2s. As you may know right now, HPI Racing is pretty much gone, I guess. They're still around, but they're not like how they used to be. That was my favorite, my favorite brand. They had a lot of variety of clear shells and models and things like that. So I love HPI Racing, but unfortunately, they're not the same since they've been bought out, and a lot of the online stores right now don't carry them, so it's hard for me to get their parts. So I'm kind of a little bit concerned with my HPI E10s, my beloved E10s. I got about 5 or 6 of them, and parts is I'm trying to get as much parts as I can right now, just in case. So that's pretty much why I probably just decided to turn them into a body comp chassis, because they're perfect for body comps. If you don't know what body comps is, it's basically a like a car show car, RC edition, 1/10 scale. And reason being is that the HPI E10 chassis is very detailed. It has vented rotors on it. It has calipers on it. It has adjustable offsets on it. You can go from 3 millimeter to as much as about 10, I believe, or maybe even wider than that. Um, then there's upgrades on it as well. So suspension, it's crazy. you know, if you check out my blogs, which I haven't been doing anything on it, but if you check out my blog, check one of the buttons there. There's the HPI E10 button, and you can see a lot of my work on that one, my HPI E10, and then my achievements, and a lot of my chassis are in there. You can take a look at what I'm talking about in that one. So yeah, so they're in the works, and I'm planning to start creating content regarding RCs again, and scale models. So hopefully I can do that soon. It's the first one probably might be my HPI Sprint to convert it to a rear-wheel drive drift, and I kind of wanted to adjust that because it concerns me. You know, I don't want my subscribers, you know, my subscribers from way back when to feel like that, you know. So I just wanted to address that, and rest assured that I'm gonna be doing that again, or I'm gonna keep doing that again. So I have some contents on that one. So yeah, so be on the lookout for that one. So check it out every now and then, and you know, I'd like to invite you to you know, go on my comments, and you know, if you could help me out, you have some tips for me regarding rear-wheel drives, you know, things like that, tips, whatever, you know, just go in my comments, and you know, let's help each other out, you know. And you know, if I have something to share, I'll share it. If you have something to share with the world, you know. Everybody needs help, you know. For me, I'm a newbie rear-wheel drive drift. You know, a lot of the youngins back then that I used to drift with now are experts at rear-wheel drive drift, and I have no experience with rear-wheel drive drift. I mean, we dabbled with it back then with my HPI E10 and a TT01, and that's about it. And the only thing we didn't do was that we didn't experiment with gyros. And yeah, so yeah. But anyhow, I just kind of want to address that, and with this vlog, and you know, I appreciate all my subscribers. Yeah, I really do. I'm grateful for you guys. I'm blessed to have you guys, and you know, I'm blessed to have people around me that, you know, can help out and have some can share their experiences and tips regarding, you know, building model kits and RCs and things of that nature. So yeah, I invite you to you know, hit the comments and hit the likes, the thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't, or tell a friend or two. So yeah, so check back once again, check back every now and then, and hopefully I get some videos regarding RC drift, RC crawling, scale models, things like that, and hopefully I can do that soon. So yeah, so as always, I appreciate you, I thank you, and aloha.